This is Neville Dalani. Welcome to our YouTube channel Bright Coaching Center. अरे यार बहुत गर्मी है क्या नहीं? Today we are going to learn the main topic of English grammar is question tag. But before learning the question tags, we learn some important points which is necessary for question tags. I hope you are aware of helping verbs. There is, am, are, was, were, have, has. Do you know what are modal auxiliary verbs? Can, could, may, might, should, would. Yes, they all are modal auxiliary verbs. With the help of those verbs, we'll make the question tags. So let us start with the first topic, that is making negatives of helping verbs and making negatives of modal auxiliary verbs. So the first step for the question tag is to learn how to make the negatives of helping verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. So here you can see on your left side all 1 to 6 are helping verbs while 7 to 12 are modal auxiliary verbs. So now we'll learn how to make negatives of these verbs. So first is. So what will be the negative of is? That is not. We can also write isn't. So here isn't is the contraction form of is not. You can do same with all the verbs given on both the sides. So let us see one by one. Are, we can say are not or are not. So one important thing to note here is for the question tag, we will always use the contraction form in the question tag. We will not use this expanded form like are not. But on behalf of are not, we will write are not. Now next. So let us write all the contraction forms. Was, it's wasn't. Were, weren't. Have, haven't. Has, hasn't. Now we'll make the negatives of the modal auxiliary verb. So can, you can say can't. Could, couldn't. Should, shouldn't. Must, mustn't. Will, so we can say will not, or there will be little change here in the contraction. It will be W O N T. Next, would, wouldn't. So here are the negative forms of helping verb and modal auxiliary verbs. So please note it down in your notebook. So now we'll learn the second part that is also very important for the question text. Noun and pronoun. क्या आपको मालूम है noun क्या है? अगर नहीं मालूम है तो no tension, I'm here. Okay. So noun means what? Let us understand what is noun. Noun means किसी का नेम, चाहे जो भी हो. मार्कर, चलो ये मार्कर नाम है एक चीज का. यस, चलो ये मार्कर एक नाउन है. आप अभी वीडियो पॉज करके अपना रूम देखो, इसमें ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जिसका नाम है? एवरीथिंग जो भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है दैट इज नाउन. मार्कर, फैन, मोबाइल, व्हाइट बोर्ड, टेबल, यस, आपको जो भी चीज़ यहाँ पे दिख रही है, सिर्फ चीज़ नहीं, आपको मम्मी डैडी भाई बहन सब कुछ यहाँ पे, अगर कुत्ता है तो डॉग, जो भी आपको दिख रहा है आसपास और जिसके भी नाम है वो एक नाउन है। सो क्या हम बोल सकते हैं नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ पर्सन, थिंग, प्लेस, animal. If you want examples of that, I'll give you one by one. Animal, I can say cow, dog, cat, buffalo. These all are the names of animals. So that is also a noun. Place like Taj Mahal, Delhi, Agra. These all are places. So yes, that is also a noun. Person like mother, father, sister, if they have name like Kamal, Rohan, Rohini, Sweta. So that is also a noun. Name of things like you can say toys around you, table, chair, fan, marker. So these all are nouns. Yes. So now another important thing that we must know is pronoun. So I'm giving you an example. Rohan is a good boy. Full stop. Rohan is an intelligent boy. So did you mark anything? मैंने 2 टाइम रोहन यूज किया है। अगर सेम रोहन नाम में पूरे पैराग्राफ में अगर यूज करूँ, रोहन ये है, रोहन वो है, रोहन ये करता है, ये रोहन ये नहीं करता है, रोहन में ये गुड हैबिट्स है, रोहन हैज दिस बैड हैबिट्स, तो वो थोड़ा क्वाइट ऑकवर्ड लगेगा। So we have a solution for that कि रोहन हर टाइम हम यूज नहीं करेंगे, रोहन हम एक ही बार यूज करेंगे। ओके, एंड रोहन को हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे ही के साथ, क्योंकि रोहन एक लड़का है। सो अगर लड़का है तो हम ही यूज करेंगे, लड़की है तो शी यूज करेंगे। एनी नॉन लिविंग या तो फिर जिसका जेंडर हमको नहीं मालूम है उसके साथ हम इट यूज करेंगे। अगर ज़्यादा लोग हैं तो वी, दे, वो यूज करेंगे, राइट। सो लेट अस सी how to use pronouns or how to make pronouns of the given nouns. So मैंने जो एग्जांपल आपको दिया कि रोहन इज अ बॉय फुल स्टॉप, और दूसरी बार रोहन यूज करने के बदले हम ही यूज करेंगे ताकि हर बार रोहन नहीं यूज करना पड़े। एंड विल यूज रोहन इज अ बॉय full stop, he is an intelligent boy, full stop, he is a hard working boy. So I think that sounds more good rather than Rohan is this, Rohan is this, Rohan is that. Okay, so we can use he as pronoun which is replacing Rohan, means which is replacing noun. So अगर रजनीकांत हमको दिया है, so Rajnikant is a boy, so can we use Rajnikant means pronoun he. Yes. Now next, Rita. Rita is the name of girl, so can we use she as a pronoun? Yes. Next, I and Alex. मैं और Alex, जिसमें मैं भी शामिल हूँ, so we can say हम. So the correct pronoun for this is we. Next, table. Table is non-living thing, so correct pronoun for that is it. Next, children. Children is a plural form of child, so it's in plural, so can we say they? Yes. Next, Sonam and Reena. Sonam and Reena, so they are again two, they are again plural, so can we say they? Yes. So many of the students are facing difficulties in solving the question tags. So I have come up with some points which are very very important to remember before we solve the question tag. So आप यहाँ पे ऐसे points समझने वाले हो जो आपको question tag solve करने में difficulties नहीं होंगे, right? So सबसे पहले we'll understand कि उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है। क्वेश्चन टैग आपने समझा है तो सही सर, बट ये कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा कि ये क्वेश्चन टैग बुक में कैसे, क्वेश्चन पेपर में कैसे पूछते हैं हमको। सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर। सो क्वेश्चन टैग हमको एग्जाम में ऐसे पूछते हैं, हमको पहले सेंटेंस दिया होता है। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सेंटेंस and second part is question tag. And one thing you have to keep in the mind that after means at the end of the question tag there is always a question mark. हमको compulsory question mark punctuation रखना है। And the next important thing is, next point to get in the mind is अगर sentence positive है। So वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, if you remember, अरे यार बहुत गर्मी हो रही है क्या नहीं। सो मैंने आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा था। सो मेरा सेंटेंस जो था वो पॉजिटिव था, यार बहुत गर्मी हो रही है। बट मेरा जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टैग था उसमें मैंने पूछा क्या नहीं। सो यस एग्जैक्टली, क्या नहीं वो हमारा क्वेश्चन टैग है। सो आपने वो भी देखा होगा, क्वेश्चन टैग नेगेटिव था, सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव था। यस, सो विल दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि सेंटेंस अगर पॉजिटिव है, सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव, then our question tag will be negative. And third important thing, if the sentence is in negative, our question tag will be in positive. Sentence in negative, then our question tag will be positive. Yes, अगर आपने ये पढ़ लिया, आपने ये याद रख लिया, then it will be very very easy to score marks in your exam. So you can pause the video and you can write these important notes. Okay, now we'll understand how to solve the questions of question tags. In the starting of the video, we studied how to make negatives of the given helping verb or modal auxiliary verb, उसकी help लेके, और ये प्रोनाउन की हेल्प लेके हम आगे क्वेश्चन टैग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। नाउ इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन टैग्स। सो नाउ वी विल सॉल्व सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन टैग्स गिवन हियर टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोनाउंस एंड negatives of helping verb and modal auxiliary verbs. So first thing to get in the mind is we'll use the contraction of negatives. Second thing, we will not use nouns but we'll use pronouns in place of nouns that we did before some time. So now we'll solve he is a good boy, and one more important thing, हमको पूरा sentence नहीं देखना है, right? Otherwise you will get confused. हमको सिर्फ two things देखना है, two things, only two things. First is subject means noun. सेकेंड थिंग इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब दिया है तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब दिया है तो मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब। अगर दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, ऐसा होगा, अगर कुछ भी नहीं दिया है तो हमको वो देखना है कि सेंटेंस कौन से टेंस में दिया गया है, राइट? सो दैट वी विल सी हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट। He is a good boy. So what is important for us? He and is. So that is important क्योंकि he is a pronoun and is helping verb. So now as the sentence is in positive, our question tag will be negative. So he is. So first of all we'll write negative of is in the form of contraction and we will add pronoun to it. So he is a good boy. Isn't he? Yes, exactly. Isn't he? So at last there will be compulsory question mark. So here question tag has only two parts. First is negative or positive of helping verb, modal auxiliary verb, and second is the use of pronoun. They are helping. So can we say aren't they? So we are asking. So here did you mark anything? हम कुछ कंफर्म करने के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. लेट अस सी दे आर हेल्पिंग. वो लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं. क्या नहीं? सो आप नहीं आप बोलोगे यस या वो हेल्प कर रहे हैं मीन्स आप आपका कंफर्मेशन दे रहे हैं कि हाँ वो लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं. So question tag you can say in another word the question which is asked in interrogative manner to get the confirmation, that is called question tag. Next one, he was laughing. It's very easy. Was negative of was, wasn't he is pronoun, so wasn't he will use negative and subject. Wasn't he? And at last question one. Now the next question it will rain soon. So what will be the negative of will? Want. Answer is want it. Next, I am flying kites. Next, I am flying kites. So here there will be little change. I am flying kites. You will be thinking that the question tag will be am tongue tie. No, so that is actually wrong. I am flying kites. So here the case is quite different. Now we can't make am tie, so that is a wrong question tag. Listen very carefully. If the sentence in which am is used and if the sentence is positive, ध्यान से सुनना, जो भी सेंटेंस में अगर am यूज किया है और वो सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव है तो उसका क्वेश्चन टैग नेगेटिव तो आएगा, बट am के बदले कुछ another helping verb will use and that will be I am. So aren't I? Yes, that is the correct question tag for this sentence. Aren't I? This is an exceptional case if am is used in the positive sentence, then we'll use aren't I. But same is not in the case of am not. There is no change. We'll go as usual. Negative to positive. I am not happy. Am I? Okay, so that will be the correct question tag. Am I? Only you have to take care here is, only you have to take care if am with positive sentence, question tag are. Now here we have questions from 7 to 12. These questions are a little bit different from question number 1 to 6. Let us see how. So as I told you, first we have to see whether the helping verb is given to us or not. Helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. If not, we have to check the sentence is in which tense. Because कौन सा tense use किया है वो tense के basis पर हम उसमें से helping verb या फिर modal auxiliary verb निकालेंगे, right? So we'll see here Meena will pass. So what is the helping verb used here? Will. So negative of will, want. And what is the pronoun for Meena? Meena is girl, so we can use she. Now next question. I and Ravi play. So let us check any helping verb is given to us. No, I think the verb is not given to us. Why to worry? We will check out the verb from the sentence itself, but for that we must know in which tense is the sentence. कौन से tense में ये sentence है वो हमको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Don't worry if you don't know any tense. तो कुछ टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I will upload all the videos of all the tenses and I will explain you step by step easy methods, giving more examples, more and more examples, more and more questions to clear your doubts. So wait and watch, stay connected with us. We'll come up with the videos of all the tenses in the next videos. So here I and Ravi. So what will be the subject? What will be the pronoun here now? Can we say we? क्योंकि I and रवि में भी शामिल हो तो हम बोल सकते हैं हम, and the pronoun for that is we. And next the sentence is in the present form I and Ravi play. Now one most important thing, ये sentence present tense में है तो हम present भी use कर सकते हैं and don't भी use कर सकते हैं, right? But यहाँ पे दो लोग हैं, I and Ravi. अगर हमको plural दिया है, remember very carefully, अगर हमको सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल दिया है, नाउन प्लूरल है, then we'll use do, and if the noun is singular we'll use does. So here it is plural, so we'll use do, and the sentence is in positive, so we have to make the negative. So do का negative don't, और इन दोनों का pronoun we. So can we write don't we? Yes, exactly, don't we. One most important thing, आपको आ गया question tag, but in exam if you forget to write question mark, it's again a mistake. So make sure that आप question tag भी अच्छी तरह से लिखो और आप question mark भी पीछे लगाओ. Raman works hard. Now the sentence is in present tense because verb plus s है works. Now see, प्रेजेंट टेंस है तो हमको क्या यूज करना है, डू और डज, जो हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में देखा था इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. सो डू और डज, नाउ वी हैव टू चॉइसेस, बट हाउ टू सिलेक्ट, डू आएगा या डज आएगा, अगेन वी हैव टू सी कौन सा सब्जेक्ट यूज किया गया है. रमन, रमन इज वन, सो रमन इज सिंगुलर, सो सिंगुलर अगर सब्जेक्ट हो देन विल यूज डज. सो सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टेक नेगेटिव, सो क्या आएगा, डजंट, और रमन है, रमन इज अ बॉय, विल यूज ही, तो कैन बी से डजंट ही, यस, दैट इज द प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन टैग. नाउ नेक्स्ट, Ravi and Manish went home. So here again we have two person, Ravi and Manish, means it is plural. Okay, went हमारा past tense है, so in past tense we will consider did as helping verb here. So यहाँ पे नहीं दिया है but tense में से हमने निकाला है क्योंकि ये past है तो did यूज करेंगे, जैसे हमने प्रेजेंट टेंस में do और does निकाला था, यहाँ पे did. yes, did ही आएगा, कोई भी दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं है. हाँ, पॉजिटिव आएगा कि नेगेटिव आएगा, लेट अस सी हियर. रवि एंड मनीष वेंट होम, दिस इज अगेन अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, तो हमको क्वेश्चन टैग नेगेटिव आएगा. डीड का नेगेटिव डिडंट, और रवि एंड मनीष दो लोग हैं तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, दे. So our question tag will be didn't they? Yes, that is the answer. Didn't they? Now next question. They would like pani puri. They would like pani puri. It's easy to identify which helping verb or modal auxiliary given here. Would, negative of would, wouldn't they? Yes, that is our answer. Wouldn't. So we have solved all the questions. No. Wait. Still one question is left. And yes, that I have left it intentionally. वो मैंने जानबूझकर बाकी रखा है क्योंकि ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, राइट? लेट्स और लेटस को यहाँ पे हम क्वेश्चन टैग कैसे बनाएंगे, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, डोंट वरी. ये एक एक्सेप्शनल केस है जैसा हमने एम में लिखा था, एम का नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग आरंट जो हमने लिखा था. यहाँ पे अगर हमको ऐसा आएगा कि लेट्स और लेटस गो, तो सिंपल पॉजिटिव है, आंसर नेगेटिव आएगा. ओके, और अस मीन्स हम लोग, लाइक वी. सो व्हाट विल बी द अप्रोप्रिएट प्रोनाउन, अस के बदले हम वी लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन. सेकेंड इज क्वेश्चन टैग नेगेटिव आएगा. थर्ड वन, किसका नेगेटिव सर जी, wait, don't worry. So negative will use shouldn't we. Remember, if let's is given, will you always use shouldn't, Shouldn't. Yes, this is an exceptional case. You must remember this. So here it will be shouldn't. And what will be the pronoun? We. So till now we solved all the questions which were only positive sentences. Now we'll see all the negative sentences here. It's easy, not to worry, because as how we did how we converted positive sentence into negative question tag, it's very easy. We'll convert negative sentence into positive question tag. Let us see how. Kavi doesn't ask, so it's easy. Does she? No, wait. Here it is Kavi, not Kavita. Okay, so will appropriate pronoun for Kavi is he. So does he? Yes, that is the perfect question tag. Does he? And at last question mark. Now the next question. Mayank didn't speak. So did and Mayank he. Yes. So did he? Next, I and Sophia won't go. So, won't is the negative contraction of will not. So, what is the positive? Will. I and Sophia means this means maybe. So, can we say we? Yes. Will be correct. Now, next question and the last question. We shouldn't throw it. Shouldn't. It will be should. We as it is. Should we? Yes. So now my task is over. Now it's your turn. So here are some of the questions. Try to solve it by yourself. And yes, I'm pretty sure you will be able to solve all the questions. Yes or no? Yes. अरे wait, कहाँ पे जा रहे हो आप? First of all, tell me the question tag for this sentence. You have told your friends to subscribe my channel, haven't you? Now, you can make sentence by yourself and you can make question tag by yourself. Can't you? Yes.